again. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Mix and Bake online school. This is Ikeolu Biobaku, your online teacher. I'm excited to be here in this lesson, and with me is Vivian, my colleague and co-teacher. Right now, in this lesson, we are teaching a very exciting cake. I love this cake so much. It's called the yogurt cake. Ikeolu Biobaku, the Chief Responsibility Officer of Mix and Bake, here with you online again to show you how to bake a very sumptuous, yummy cake, one of my favorites, called the yogurt cake. This one is going to come with a twist. Now, I will show you how to do the regular yogurt cake, and I'm going to add something to it. My jam. It can be raspberry jam, it can be strawberry jam, it can be blackcurrant jam, just name it. Alright, so sit back, relax, take your time. Turn off every device now because we are going into the drive mode. Make sure you are concentrating, you're sitting down and watching what I'm doing. Remember, this is Mix and Bake online school. Alright then, catch you soon.